Dignitaries on the dais, invitees, colleagues, student friends, ladies and gentlemen, I extend a warm welcome to you all to this inaugural function of the blood donation camp jointly organized by KLS, Institute of Management Education and Research, the Red Cross Society, HDFC Bank and KLE's Blood Bank.
Person who gives himself or he is selfish, he is never remembered, either he is cursed by people. Person who gives to others without any expectation, he is remembered and is immortal. So Mahatma Gandhi says that love not to be loved, serve not to be served. So that's what he practices also. Indian Red Cross Society is guiding 10 millions of younger generations within the India through Youth Red Cross wings and Junior Red Cross wings. When you talk about blood, nothing is so precious than blood in this whole world. Neither diamond, nor platinum, nor gold. Blood is the only thing which cannot be produced in the factories, either laboratories, even after so much of scientific improvements in medical science as well as pathology. But all of you to serve the humanity and give the life to the people.
See, HDFC Bank has been conducting blood donation camps in the last 7 years. Since last 2 years, we have been tying up with premier education institutes. The basic motive here is to incorporate the habit of blood donation among youngsters. When they are young, if they start, they will take this along. Last year, we made it into the Guinness Book of World Record as the largest organizer of in the world for blood donation camps. This achievement would not have been possible without tremendous response from the educational institutes like yours. I request you all to make a most of this opportunity and contribute to this life-saving noble cause.